So today I'm going to attempt to use Brazil wool hair. So what I'm going to do first is just brush it out. Then I'm separating it into half and crossing the hair together to start off with doing the braid. Now this is what I usually do with synthetic hair and it works well, but the Brazilian hair felt kind of stiff and I don't know, I kind of felt tangly. It was kind of hard for me to even put my fingers through it. So if you guys have any tips for me on what to do to stop this tangling, please leave it below, because it was a struggle even doing this first initial braid. You can see that my braid doesn't even look as smooth and I was kind of frustrated about this. But what you want to do is you want to first braid maybe like 2 or 3 times before you start twisting. At this time I was struggling so much, I wanted to give up, but I just said let me try with this. So what do you guys do to get the braid softened? So what I do is that the hair in the middle, I split it in half, I join each section with the other section, and then I start twisting. So the twisting method is very simple to do. It's just flat, not flat twist, it's just rope twist. So this is what the twist looks like. You just continue doing it to the very end, and that is how you use Brazilian hair. So this is what it looks like when I'm done, but you can see that top area was really bunchy and I didn't like it.